Hello everyone, it's been a while since I made a video, but I have an update on the Miller project and what I'm doing with it. This is for the pulser and sequencer for the 250DX 350LX. I gotta feed the queen. She likes her cookies. But I've got a big package here. This is the next step. I've had a lot of requests for the older Miller machines, but I was not able to get anybody to get me a proper drawing of the control panel so I can get the potentiometer spacings. I did get a schematic and everything, and I verified all the connections are the same for the newer unit and the older unit. They're just placed differently on the main board. So as soon as we can get Cotty off the box, which I'm going to have to give her a little help. She don't want off. It's a box. Anytime there's a box, she's on it. She's like a shop kitty. She wants more cookies. Do you want more cookies? How about I give you another cookie? Don't help that I give her cookies every time she gets on a box, but or she just spit that out. Okay, here. Come down here. I'm gonna have to help you. Okay. There we go. Okay, so this box is really, really light. It is about 31 inches. So it came partially opened, but I have not opened this. It is sealed just as it arrived. So I have ordered more boards because I am running really low on the beta boards. So let's get this open. This was hard to find. I've been looking and looking and looking for one of these so I didn't have to buy a machine just to get the measurements. Ooh, I just ruined that video. No. Kick the tripod. Okay, so what is in here? We have a piece of blank white paper. Okay, that's useless. We're going to make this box a little smaller. Okay, there's Cotty. So what do we have here? You know, I really don't have room for another TIG welder in here. And just to go spend a couple $1,000s to get some measurements. I used pretty much every resource I knew of that had one of these, and I just could not find anybody to give me measurements. I even offered to pay them for their time. I guess welders don't know how to use dial calibers because most of them would just put a measuring tape up there and say they're 2 inches on center. Well, they're not 2 inches on center. I need them in metric. I need them precise. That way the potentiometers fit. So this is what we got. I went and bought a front plate. So that way I can get the measurements between all these holes, get it all lined up perfectly, and test fit prior to ordering the boards. So I don't have to do like I did with version 1 and modify potentiometers and everything. We're going to get this right the first time here. So yeah, it's going to happen. I will be making the pulser and sequencers for the older 250DX here. Probably April they'll be available is what I'm shooting for. End of May, early April. Depends on how much time I get to dedicate to this. It's not that difficult to pull the measurements off here. All the wiring's the same. I just got it. Anytime you change the layout on the board and move things around, it, you know. So I will come back with an update when I get further. So have a good day.